Hey weight warriors! We're diving deep into the murky waters of laxative-fueled weight loss, exposing the myths, the dangers, and the insider secrets with research to back it up. We ain't just talking bro science here, folks. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for resources that will take your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! So, do laxatives make you lose weight? The short answer is yes, but not in the nice kind of way you think. Most laxatives work by pulling water into your stool, making it bulkier and easier to pass. This creates a temporary drop on the scale, but guess what? It's just water weight. As soon as you rehydrate, that lost weight comes right back. Sorry, no beach bod in a bottle. And that's not all. A 2017 study published in the journal Nutrients found that laxative abuse can actually hinder weight loss efforts. It messes with your gut bacteria, which plays a crucial role in metabolism and nutrient absorption. Plus, the long-term side effects are no joke: dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and even kidney damage. Trust me, a few extra pounds aren't worth that kind of pain. Now, here's the juicy part. Listen up, because this is gold. Focus on real weight loss, not quick fixes. That means a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Don't demonize carbs, they fuel your workouts and keep your brain happy. Move your body. Exercise isn't just about burning calories, it builds muscle, boosts metabolism, and makes you feel like a superhero. Find activities you actually enjoy, whether it's dancing, rock climbing, or chasing pigeons in the park. Listen to your body. Don't starve yourself or push yourself to the point of exhaustion. Eat when you're hungry, stop when you're full, and get enough sleep. Your body is a smart cookie, treat it right, and it'll reward you. So, there you have it. The truth about laxatives and weight loss: it's a messy, dangerous gamble not worth taking. Ditch the quick fixes and embrace sustainable strategies. Eat real food, move your body, and listen to your amazing self. That's the real recipe for success. If you really want to take your weight loss to a whole new level, check out the resources in the description and pinned comment below. And if you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button for more insider health hacks. Don't forget to drop a comment to share your experiences with us. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.